Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule your favorite songs and videos to play automatically at any time. But before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to automate our playlist, we are going to create a shortcut of that playlist we want to use, okay? So I'll open my playlist and then I'll create a shortcut. So I'll go to music, that is where I have my playlist. Then I'll right click on the table singers. Then I'll go to show more options. I'm using Windows 11, okay? Then I'll go to send to desktop, create shortcut. So now we've created a shortcut of the table singers playlist. So let me close this and then this is the playlist we have, okay? So we are going to use the task scheduler to schedule our playlist to play automatically. So I'll open my task scheduler by going to the search and here I have my task scheduler. It's in the recent because I've opened it before. So I'll click on it. And then this is our task scheduler. This is where we are going to do our automation. So at the right pane, you see create basic task, or you can right click on the task scheduler library and create basic tasks. So anyhow you want it, you can do it that way. So I'll click on create basic task, and then we are going to name our task, or we are going to give our task a name. So I'll name my task open play list. Okay. And then we give a description to our task. So I'll name my description play my audio playlist automatically. Okay, play my audio playlist automatically. This is the description I want to give. You can specify any description of your choice. Then you click on next. Then we are going to set the trigger. When do you want the task to start? Daily, weekly, monthly, one time, and these are the triggers, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to specify daily, and then we click on next. So we are going to change the time for our playlist to demonstrate how it works, okay? So it's 10:05. So I'll set the time to 10:10, okay? And then we click on next. Now, what action do you want the task to perform to start a program? That is the default. So you leave the default and then you click on next. Now we are going to write the script of the program, okay? So we are going to specify the media player we want to use for the playlist. You can use VLC, you can use Windows Media Player. In my case, I'm going to use VLC. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already copied the location of the VLC. So let me quickly go there. So I'll copy this and paste it here at the program script, okay? So this is the location of the VLC file I want to use for my playlist. So we are going to add an argument, okay? And the argument should be where the location of the shortcut you created for the playlist, okay? So let me quickly copy my shortcut location, then I'll paste it here. So this is the location of the shortcut of my playlist. So you can see from here. So C column user, this is the username, music, and then table singers. So that is where I have my shortcut for the playlist. So I'll click on next. And these are the summary of what we've done. Okay. So I'll click on finish. So now we've created our playlist. So at 10:10, the playlist will start to play automatically. So it's now 10:07. So we wait for it to play automatically. You can also do changes to your playlist. So this is my playlist in the library. Open playlist, okay? So I'll go to properties and here you can do your changes. You can change your triggers, the time and the days, weekly you want the playlist to play, and then the actions, okay? So you can edit the actions as well. You can do everything from here, okay? And then the conditions. So start the task only if the computer is on AC. So when you are using a laptop, it will start. So my laptop is not on AC. So let me uncheck this, okay, for the program to start. So I'll click on OK. So start the task only if the computer is on AC and stop if the computer switches to battery power. So I've unchecked that because I want us to demonstrate how the playlist works. So I'll click on OK. Okay, so at 10:10, the playlist we've set to play automatically is going to initiate and then the music will start playing. So for the demonstration of this tutorial, please stay tuned whilst we make that playlist play automatically, okay? Then you can try at your end and leave the comment at the comment section below. So you see, it has opened automatically at the time we set the playlist to play. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for joining me and bye bye.